Okay, this is video 5 of chapter 3. We're going to create a circle through 3 points in this video. We are going to create a line tangent to a circle from a given point, and we're going to create a circle of a given radius given 2 line tangents. First thing, circle through 3 points. And it says here to create an arbitrary line segment AB and BC. And you notice that both lines connect at B. So it's really creating an angle. You create the 2 lines. You go to your circle pull down menu, and you'll notice it says circle creating a center radius, center diameter, 2 point, and then 3 point. So you're going to pick the 3-point one. As you head toward the line, if it snaps to the end, then great. If not, you have your snap toolbar here, which you can select snap to an endpoint. So I'm going to select the first point, the second point, and then the third point. Now you notice it made a circle using those 3 points. Next is how to create a line tangent from a circle at a given point. You all know how to do line tangents. This one will also teach you on how to create a point in space. So one of the reasons I'm talking through this also is that for some reason we go from page 15 in your book to page 18. So 2 pages are missing, and I'm going to talk you through it. First thing I'm going to do is just create a circle using center radius. And then I'm going to do something I don't think many of you have done, and that's create a point on your AutoCAD drawing. The point has no volume or length or depth or height. It's just a single point. And the way you create a point in your AutoCAD drawing is to go to your draw panel, the little arrow that dropped down, and you'll see this symbol right here, which is called multiple points. You select it, you come out here and you specify a point. You notice a tiny dot appears right here, and you notice that when you zoom in, the dot does not get any bigger. So it's just a point. The way you get out of creating more points is you hit escape from that point. So then we're going to create a line. And the way you snap to this, you notice it will not snap to it. You need to snap to node on your snap toolbar, and it will indicate it. Then you want to come to your snap toolbar and select to a tangent. And when you get near the circle, it will create that tangent symbol, and you just click it. Now every point that is outside this circle, if it's not on the edge of this circle, has 2 tangents, one on either side. So we're going to again select our line segment. This time I'm going to go from tangent of the circle to the point, kind of backwards. So as I get near, again the tangent symbol appears, I select it, and this is where you notice it rotates around. Then I need to make sure I snap to a node. Come over here, click, and then escape. Now, if you remember the definition of a tangent, it's a line segment that connects to the circle at a single point. If this line had been anywhere else on the circle, besides the other tangent, it would go through 2 different points on this circle. The other side effect is that if you go from, create a line segment from the center of the circle, you notice if you create a line segment from where the tangent touches to the center, that that angle is 90 degrees, perpendicular from the center. So now you know how to create a circle using 3 points, and you know how to create a tangent to a circle, and also how to create a point in space. The next thing you're going to learn is how to create a circle using a tangent, tangent, and a radius. So again, we're going to create two line segments. We're going to drop down the menu to tangent, tangent, radius. You're supposed to specify the first point tangent on a circle, the second point tangent, and then specify a radius. I'm going to specify 10. And you notice that it created a circle with a radius of 10 that touched this line with only 1 point on the circle and this line with only 1 point in the circle. That's how you do tangent, tangent, radius.